Lunch barbecue Seitan sandwiches serves 4, 1 tablespoon vegetable oil, 1 small onion, chopped, 1 package Seitan strips or chunks cut into strips, 1 cup vegan barbecue sauce, 1/4 cup water, hot sauce, optional, 4 hamburger buns, suggested toppings, lettuce, tomato, green pepper, coleslaw, red onions 1. Heat the vegetable oil in a large pan over medium heat. Add the onion and sauté for 5-8 minutes, or until the onion is very soft. Add Seitan, and cook until lightly browned, stirring often. 2. Add the barbecue sauce and water and cook, stirring every 5 minutes, until the sauce has thickened and been absorbed by the Seitan. Add hot sauce to taste if using. 3. Toast the inside of the buns to prevent them from getting soggy, then spoon the Seitan mixture onto the rolls and garnish. Serve hot. Black bean soup serves 6-8, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 onion, chopped, 3 cloves garlic, minced, 1 green bell pepper, chopped, 1 can diced tomatoes, 2 tablespoons white or apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, 1 teaspoon ground coriander, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, 3/4 bay leaves, salt and pepper to taste, 6 cups black beans, cooked, 2 cups vegetable broth, 1/4 cup fresh parsley. 1. In a large stock pot over medium-high heat, sauté the onion, garlic, and bell pepper in the olive oil until the onion begins to soften, about 5 minutes. 2. Add the tomato, vinegar, cumin, coriander, paprika, bay leaves, salt, and pepper and cook for another 5 minutes. 3. Add the beans and broth and reduce to a simmer. Cook for about 15 minutes, covered. 4. Remove bay leaves and serve garnished with parsley.